gonna get started with this. This onion, this is garlic, and this shallot. Smash that garlic open. That can get a little annoying. Start off chopping up our shallot right here. Yeah, boss. Keeping it simple, you know. Garlic. Just trying not to dice myself right here. Stick with your boy. Yeah. Know how we do it. Let it sear. Yeah. I try to get this butter in this skillet, get out my feelings. Remember, garlic, onion, shallot. I remember that fat from that meat that we had. Y'all remember that? Take a little bit of that. Put that off in there. The oil. Yeah, boss. Yeah. Right. That's all good. We hitting it with Mediterranean seasoning. This is a vegetable seasoning. Mediterranean and veggie. Hit it with a little lemon juice. Turn that joker back up on high. Just a real quick something. You know, this good. You can pair this up with chicken breast. I pair it up with chicken breast. Like if you had a little somebody coming over or something like that, pair it up with some chicken breast. I like the center. Get everything centered. It's cooking in the fat and that butter. That good butter. Wish I had some bacon to put on it, but we'll be all right. We'll be all right. That is a reflection of perfection. Should have some meat and potatoes to throw up in here, you know what I'm saying? Always trying to cook. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I got you. Let me borrow y'all real quick. Yes, sir. That's it.
let us recap our food notes. Number 1, chop garlic, shallot, and onion. Number 2, melt butter and meat fat, or you can use bouillon. Number 3, apply veggies and wait until brown. Number 4, mix the cooked beans and cover with lid or foil. Let it steam for 10 minutes. And number 5, you better enjoy it.